Thought about you way too much. Over overthinking us. Cause you've been so out of touch. You could've had my love, but you've been so out of touch.
Monday, I was dreaming about you. Tuesday, I was waiting near the phone. 2 days, wasn't hearing from you. Yeah, what can I say? Oh baby, I was getting bored. Thursday, I was losing interest. Friday, you were up there in the cold. Weekend, you already missed it. I was moving on, cause you were moving too slow. Cause sometimes I'm alone, stare out my window. The moon makes you seem close tonight, but you've been so out of touch. Thought about you way too much. Over all the thinking us.